Hello, and welcome to your IELTS review video. In today's episode, we're talking about leadership. So, let's get started. Who is a friend of yours that is a good leader? You could simply say, a friend of mine who shows impressive leadership skills is James. Or, without a doubt, I have a friend named Emily who truly embodies exceptional leadership qualities. How do you know this person? I got to know James through a basic group project at school. Or Emily and I crossed paths during leadership seminar that we both attended. How does this person behave as a leader? As a leader, James is always confident and ready to go. Or Emily's leadership behavior is characterized by her confident demeanor and her capacity to guide and motivate others. Why do you think this person is a good leader? I consider James a good leader because he can make important decisions and inspire our team. Or, in my view, Emily shines as a great leader due to her remarkable ability to make crucial decisions and inspire a sense of unity among team members. Okay, only a handful of questions today. Next up is our reading passage. Please read along with me at home. It's intended to give you more insight into the topic at hand. Attributes of effective leaders. Successful leaders exhibit a diverse range of attributes that set them apart in their roles. They possess strong communication skills, enabling them to articulate a clear vision and provide guidance to their teams. These leaders are also empathetic listeners, valuing the input and concern of their employees. Moreover, adaptability is a critical trait, allowing leaders to navigate through dynamic market conditions and respond to changes quickly. Effective leaders create an environment of trust and empowerment, fostering a sense of belonging among their team members. Such leaders inspire their employees to perform at their best, driving innovation and commitment. Moreover, they encourage professional development, recognizing that an empowered and skilled workforce contributes significantly to the overall success of the organization. Leadership practices have evolved with the changing dynamics of the modern workplace. Modern leaders value transparency, involving employees in decision-making processes and seeking their input, whereas the traditional authoritative style has given way to more collaborative and inclusive approaches. Additionally, remote work trends have necessitated virtual leadership skills, emphasizing the importance of effective communication in digital environments. Furthermore, as workplaces become more diverse and inclusive, leaders must embrace cultural sensitivity and adapt their leadership styles accordingly. Despite the many benefits of effective leadership, challenges persist. Leaders face the task of balancing short-term goals with long-term sustainability, ensuring that their decisions align with the organization's values and objectives. In the contemporary business landscape, effective leadership transcends traditional versions of authority. It is about fostering collaboration, inspiring growth, and creating an environment where employees feel valued and motivated. Organizations that recognize the significance of effective leadership and invest in cultivating these skills are well positioned to thrive in a rapidly evolving world. Thank you for listening to that. I hope you found that insightful. Next up is a range of vocabulary and expressions for you to incorporate into your everyday English usage. Leadership attributes, guiding principles, leadership skills, leadership styles. Visionary leaders, charismatic leadership, transformational leadership, savant leadership, inclusive leadership, authoritative leadership, collaborative leadership, empowerment. Communication skills, decision-making prowess, adaptability, empathy, accountability. And lastly, we have our paraphrasing exercises. Please have a go at putting some of these in your own words at home. Who is a friend of yours as a good leader? Instead, you could say, can you identify someone in your circle of friends who possesses strong leadership abilities? Or instead of saying, how did you find out about the company, how did you learn about the organization? Why do you think this person is a good leader? What attributes contribute to your perception of this individual as an effective leader? He has the ability to inspire his colleagues with his visionary approach. Or his visionary perspective has the power to motivate his peers. A friend of mine who demonstrates strong leadership skills is James. Within my social circle, I have a friend named James who showcases remarkable leadership qualities. And lastly, paraphrasing the scriptures. As always, you're on your own with that one. Thank you very much for listening. I'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye.